Switch your multimeter to the setting with the speaker. Your two probes should beep when you touch them together. On this Arduino, I'm going to find some grounds. So there's one here, and there's one on the other side. Where is it? These aren't the best probes. The one next to it should be. Come on. Oh, actually, that one. That one. That one. Okay. Yeah. So there's probably ground over somewhere with the power supply. So that's the barrel jack. Two grounds. Casing bits for the USB. So, case of the USB is ground, so I should be able to find on this chip. There's a ground there.